Good morning and welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Monday the 29th of July. We have a slight amount of dollar strength today, nothing too significant with regards to across most of the Forex majors. Euro is basically flat. Against the commodity currencies, you've got a slight dollar gains, but the big move is coming in against sterling. Sterling is under significant pressure today. This Boris Johnson related no deal Brexit planning situation seems to be dragging on sterling quite significantly, and it's broken down again, 123.30 today. That's at the lowest level since 2017, and it seems to certainly not really want to stop at the moment. And sterling remains under pressure. Selling into strength seems to be the way to play it at the moment. I'll talk about the technical outlook on my chart analysis video in a bit, but certainly at the moment, sterling remains under pressure. Nothing really doing in terms of anything else, really. You've got gold, which is basically flat. As I said, euro is basically flat. A little bit of equity market weakness in light of the fact that we've got the S&P 500 futures down today, and that drove Asian markets a little bit weaker as well. But generally speaking, that equity market weakness is being not being seen on FTSE 100. Basically, FTSE is really strong because you've still got that negative correlation between FTSE and sterling. So when sterling is down, and it is sharply down, we can see FTSE 100 outperforming, and that continues to be the theme. We've got that coming through today. Now, other than that, there's not really a great deal of key driving forces today. We've got the US-China trade talks, which are set to resume tomorrow. You've got a whole swathe of key data points that are also kicking off tomorrow as well. So today's going to be a little bit of a quiet day, I think, possibly this week. No major economic data today, and I think it could be the calm before a bit of a storm we see later this week. We've got the Fed, we've got non-farm payrolls, so it's going to be a key week for markets. But just for now, a little bit of a quiet one. So we've got my chart of the day, which is the DAX. Let me show you the daily chart first on the DAX, and you can see that the big bearish engulfing candle that we saw on Thursday from that ECB meeting has not really yet been recovered, and the old pivot line 12.440, 12.465 seems to still be a bit of a factor, coming in as a basis of resistance today. And it seems as though the market is fairly neutral, given the fact that we've got that big negative impact on the chart there with the big bearish engulfing candle. But generally speaking, the key support coming in at around 12.190. These lows from from June into July. And you've got the momentum indicators, which are broadly settled. That RSI settling around 50, the MACD line's flattening off, the stochastics had that rally, but that rise, but that rise is now beginning to roll over. So still the impact of the near-term impact of this bearish engulfing candle is in the chart, and still a potential driving force for a correction. But Friday's candle was a little bit of counter to that move, and it now tests that 12.440 to 12.465 band of resistance, which is a pivot line over the past 3 months. So how the market responds to trying to build on support, 12.300 basis of support above that 12.190. Market picked up on Friday, as I said, but it's just started to roll over a shade, and that is pretty much being shown through the hourly chart, with the momentum indicators fairly mixed, really. The RSI a little bit tailing off, the MACD lines having flattened out around neutral, but the stochastics are rising. So there are mixed signals all over the place on the DAX at the moment. But as I said, this pivot line around 12.440 to 12.465 is key, and how the market responds to that needs to get back above it to really suggest that that bearish engulfing candle may have been a bit of a knee-jerk reaction and gone a little bit too far. A little bit of a consolidation at 12.400 at the moment, but that key support near-term 12.300, if that goes, then you're looking at 12.190. So there are a little bit of a sort of a crossroads moment potentially for the DAX, and it'll be interesting to see which way it goes. But for now, I wish you good luck in your trading today. You can go to our website to sign up to my weekly webinars. We've got a payrolls webinar this week, so go to there for that. And you've also got some videos that you can sign up to on our YouTube channel. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you soon.